If you want to delete a website from GoDaddy Website Builder, I'll walk you through the exact steps in this video. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow it carefully because GoDaddy will send you a confirmation email before the website is fully removed. So, if you're trying to clean up an old site, remove an unused builder plan, or just make sure you're deleting the right website, this guide will help. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account using the email address and password connected to the website you want to remove. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile name. This opens a drop-down menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Renewals and Billing. This is where GoDaddy keeps your active products, plans, and subscriptions. On the Renewals and Billing page, look for the specific website builder template or plan that you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have more than one website or product on your account. Take a moment to double-check the name so you don't remove the wrong site. Once you find it, click the Options icon next to that product. This usually appears as 3 dots or a small menu icon. After clicking it, select Delete. GoDaddy will then start the deletion process and, in most cases, send you an email confirmation. This step is important because the deletion is not always finalized immediately inside the dashboard. Next, go to your email inbox and open the confirmation email sent by GoDaddy. If you don't see it right away, check your promotions, updates, or spam folders just in case it landed there. Inside the email, click the confirmation link provided by GoDaddy to finalize the deletion. Once you do that, the website builder plan or template should be removed from your account. After that, your website will no longer be active under that builder plan and the removal process will be complete. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a website from GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.